Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can connect your JBL Wi-Fi buds with your Android phone. So it's like really simple and nothing difficult. But the one thing that I want to say that in European countries, the Wi-Fi buds are called the Wave buds. So even if you're gonna get a Wave buds, it's the same thing as a Wi-Fi buds. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take them out. And when you're going to take them out, they are going to blink. So they are looking for pairing. So what I will do now, I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth on my phone. And automatically, I will just take the Bluetooth, connections, Bluetooth. I got it connected directly. But if you're not going to find them paired devices there, you want to scroll down below and then you're going to have it in available devices. Even possible what will happen is that your phone will ask to automatically connect the earbuds with your phone. So I have it connected right here. And the one thing that I want to show you is this is what I highly encourage you to do is that go to Google Play on your phone and go to search and right there JBL. I will show you right now what to do. So I'm going to zoom it more for you. Right here JBL. And you're going to have JBL headphones and install it. Only because with this app, you are going to have many great things. So as you can see, it's a JBL Wave buds, but these are also the Wi-Fi buds. And when you are going to have them, here you're going to find the left and right, the percentage of battery. Also, you're going to have ambient sound control. Then you are going to find the equalizer. So let's say you're listening to jazz, you would choose jazz, vocal or bass. But what you can also do is that when you're going to press this arrow right here or like click on it, you can create your own. So I will click plus here, and if I want to, I can set up my own equalizer. So this is something that you can do, and this is something that I absolutely love to do. You just can like go up and down and things like that. So this is something that you can also do and that you can try. Then when I go further, what you can also do is that you can set up the gestures right here. And here you're going to find the tap, the double tap, tap and hold. And also you can like what happens when you're going to do it for right or left. Like what happens when you do all of that, right? And if you want to, you can have it for a playback control, what happens, and or even none here. So nothing happens for the earbuds and you can completely turn them off. Opa. So that's about it. And then you're going to find another thing like the small audio video. And then you're going to find the max volume limiter. And this is the maximum volume control off. And you're going to find my buds here. So this is important. So this can be a good feature too, if you're going to lose them. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video gave you value on how you can set it up. Have a great day and goodbye.